Hello everyone. Today find of deflection of beam apparatus, standard apparatus of deflection of beam. Formula: deflection in simply spotted beam with center point loaded W delta WL cube 48 EI. Deflection for simply spotted beam with eccentric point load W delta WA square B square 3 EIL. Diagram 1 and diagram 2. E is given 2 into 6 kg centimeter square. I BD 3 cube and 12. This is deflection of beam apparatus. Parts of beam. First, parts of beam apparatus. First, pan, beam, pointer gauge, scale. Yeah, this one scale. Okay, weights. First weight 1 kg, second 1.725 kg, 8.5 kg, and 3.5 kg. Okay. Total length in beam 71 centimeter and center to distance 35.5 A and B 35.5 B. First load applied plus 8.5 kg and pen bed 0.85 kg and deflection for beam result 0.2. Result: first bed and second weight applied plus 8.5 plus 3.5 kg and deflection of beam 3. Yes. And third weight plus 1.725 kg and this reading 4 3.5 and fourth plus weight 1 and this reading show 4. First reading result and first 8.5 plus pen weight and second 3.5 kg, third 1.725 kg and plus 1. Fourth reading first, second, third, fourth and fourth result. Yes. Second part of beam. First diagram is A and B. Diagram A center of distance A and B 30.5.5 and 35.5. Just total load W यहाँ पे हमने वेट अप्लाई किया सेंटर टू, और डिफ्लेक्शन जो भी हमारा रिज़ल्ट आया सेंटर से, मींस कहीं पे भी हम वेट अप्लाई करें तो रिज़ल्ट हमारा सेंटर, रिज़ल्ट वो जो उसमें मोमेंट होगी बीम की वो हमारा रिज़ल्ट शो होगा। पार्ट ऑफ सेकंड एक्सपेरिमेंट इन दिस बीम, and first position A and B center to distance, and second position in change. Total length is 71 and A part is 47, B part is 24. And just applied for weight. First weight is 8.5 kg plus pen weight. Okay, result now only one. Yes. One. Second weight plus 8.5 plus pen weight plus 3.5 kg. Deflection in result. Two. Third weight applied. The first weight 8.5 kg plus second 3.5 kg and third weight 1.725 kg plus pen weight. And reading vibration weight 2.5. Yes, 2.5. Last weight 1 kg. First weight 8.5 kg plus 3.5 kg and 1.725 kg, and last weight 1 kg and plus pen weight. And result 3.